This is very exciting. Should have read those instructions a little better. So what we have here is the bundle that includes the RC2, which is the one with the screen on it, and it has multiple batteries. This is not the review, it's just gonna be a quick unboxing. All right, so in the box, you have a bag. You know, I have quite the collection of DJI bags, and every time they just get better and better. This one has kind of a, I don't know, kind of a military bag vibe to it. Let's open this up here. So how does this latch work? That's a great question. Oh, wow, that's kind of an interesting little latch. You pull down on it, and it kind of slots underneath this little hook. And it feels like it's pretty secure once it's under there. You know, it's not gonna come out or open. Yeah, I like that. That's very different. It does also have a handle right here, which is nice, so that if you wanted to like throw it on the handle of a roller bag, you could do that. But let's go ahead and open it up. And inside we have the actual drone itself. And there it is. Look at it. It says Air 3S over here on the side. Has the gimbal guard that protects the camera as well as these sensors up here. Ooh, she's a beaut. So let's go ahead and unfold this guy. Just set it here for a second without any props. Wow. This is the first time I've seen it, so I'm pretty excited about that. But we will continue the unboxing. It looks like we also have the propellers in one of these substantial plastic bags. And it comes with a lot of propellers. Probably comes with 8 or maybe 12. Let's see, 1, 2. So it comes with 2 full sets plus 2 additional, which is great. And I think this is probably a filter pack. I should have read those instructions a little better. Ah, there we go. So you pull this little tab up and there's your filters. And what's interesting is because this is a dual camera setup with a wide angle and a telephoto, it has dual glass on these filters. ND of 8, 32, and 128. And a nice little case they come in. And then, of course, we have the controller, which if you're familiar with the RC2 is great. It is a very reliable, easy to use, bright screen. It doesn't tie up your phone, which is really nice, so you can just have it on and not have to use your phone to get the best performance out of it. And then I'm assuming this is batteries and charger right here, and that is correct. And it looks like it has a battery in it already, so there's one of the batteries, and then it looks like this bag has the remaining batteries, which are fairly beefy batteries. Let's see, how do we release the battery to get it out? Oh, down here, yes. So to get the batteries out, there's a little release button down here on the bottom that you push, and then you can pull the battery out. But when you put it in, it locks, and they stay locked in, so they don't fall out unless you push this button here. And these are all at probably 50%, 30% for transport. So we'll charge them. We'll see if they all charge simultaneously and get this thing in the air. And let's see, was there anything else? Yes. Of course, quick start guide, USB-C cable, and these little gel packs that you're not supposed to eat. Oh, God. So that's it. That's the DJI. So that's it. That's the DJI AIR 3S. Those things taste terrible, so don't eat them. I really don't recommend it. If you're interested in a full review of the AIR 3S, check it out. We'll have it going, and we're excited to get this thing in the air and show you what it can do. So that's it. That's the DJI AIR 2S. So that's it. That's the DJI. So that's the DJ. So that's the DJ. I'm going slower. I'm in C-Log and D-Log M. We'll color grade it. I love color grading. Love 10-bit. Let's make it more and more complicated.